Are you excited to go to the jumping place? Show me your biggest excited face. Show us your... Do that one again. Do it again. Show Luca. So that's a good combination. Toothpaste, chocolate almonds, breath mint. So Luca stitched me up, made me wake up at 2:30 in the morning.
Correct.
No, it wasn't a stitch up.
It
It
was
was
a stitch
really
up.
sweet. No, it wasn't. It was like the fact that like you made me wake up at that time was more of a surprise than like, well, I mean the surprise definitely would have been a surprise, but like that was like such a surprise still.
Yeah.
I feel like, oh my god, just thinking about it, I'm like,
So what was the surprise?
are we saying the surprise? Or are we gonna make it like a different vlog? Let's say the story of the surprise without saying the surprise.
I think you should explain it.
Alright, but you gotta sprinkle some of your Luca juice in. Okay, so for the last week, Luca's been keeping me on my toes and giving me just like little hints here and there. Wear this, be here at this time. We're all doing a family sleepover at Luca's house. And then we had our plans fall through sort of with Theodore because there was like some miscommunication probably on my behalf. And then like Luca was stressing and we had to like, well, when I say we, he had to reorganize. Yeah, you were, yeah, I feel like you were stressing. You were. You were definitely like not chill.
Nah, I'm always chill.
No.
Mom?
We are gonna get birthday cake. Anyway, so then adjusted all that and then it decides to rain on my birthday weekend.
Yeah.
Never rains, ever. Hasn't rained in months. The one weekend when there's something planned, it rains. Are you so excited to go to the jumping place?
Yes.
So we wake up at 2:30, get a text message saying it's cancelled. It's too dangerous to do what we were going to do. We would have died.
Could have.
Could have.
Could have.
So they called it off, which means it's rescheduled. But we woke up at 2:30 a.m. and opened a really cool present and I'm really excited.
Me too.
Yeah, it's gonna be good. And you guys will find out what it is when we go and do it. But we did come up with some alternative plans. And what's our alternative plans, Theodore? What are we gonna do? Where are we going? What are we doing? You still have Vegemite on your face. What are we doing, Luca? Come here. Let me get the Vegemite off. Let me get the Vegemite off.
Vegemite.
It's actually still all over you. No, don't spit. Don't spit. Are you gonna like sit down? How'd you get your pants dirty already?
You driving?
Does it beep?
Yes.
No more, no more. Oh wait, yeah, okay.
No. That family looking at this funny.
We are big.
Hey Theodore, should we go to the jumping place?
It's the momo.
Nah.
No more.
Let's get in there.
Come on, let's go. You gotta climb it that way. This is, I don't know about this. I don't know if it's a good idea. The trampoline is so small. Oh, That was pretty good. You gonna try again?
Yeah. I'll go.
Try again. He's like thinking.